To assemble your rowing machine, start by removing the cardboard tubing from the curved bracket on the mechanism housing. Then, align the screw holes and fit the front-bottom tube. Fit 2 carriage bolts up through the screw holes so the threaded ends are pointing up. Secure in place with a curved washer and a cap nut. Next, you'll turn the side rail over so that the black rubber stoppers are facing up. Remove the short screws, the angle plate, and the 2 rubber stoppers closest to the plate. Take the slide seat and fit it over the end of the slide rail where the plate and stoppers were just removed. The seat should be fitted on the wide side first so that the seat pad is on the side of the rail opposite the removed cushions and angle plates. Then, reattach the stoppers and the angle plate to the side rail using the short screws. Make sure the angle plate is fitted with the open cutout closest to the corner edge of the slide rail. Fit the rail stand onto the end of the slide rail and align the bracket loops with the bolt loop on the end. Now, fit a flat washer over each loop and fit the short hex bolt through the loop, securing the bolt in place with the hex nut and tightening. Take the stand cover and attach it to the outside of the rail stand, securing in place by fitting the connecting knob into the hole at the end of the slide rail. On the opposite side of the rail stand, fit the 4 small black screws in through the inside of the rail stand. Tighten and secure with the provided screwdriver. Connect the male sensor wire from the housing to the female sensor wire from the rail. You'll fit the unsupported end of the slide rail into the bracket on the mechanism housing. Slide the rail upwards so that the screw holes on the top and sides of the rail are aligned with the bracket holes from the housing piece. Place a flat washer over the end of each screw hole on the sides of the rail and fit the medium hex bolt through to hold the rail in place. Secure the bolt in place with the hex nut and tighten. Simply push the plastic bolt cap covers over the ends of the medium hex bolt and the hex nut. Fit a connecting knob into the slide rail screw hole just below the mechanism housing and tighten to secure. Then, fit the positioning knob into the wide threaded screw hole on the side of the slide rail and tighten to lock the slide rail in place. To assemble the foot pedals, fit a large flat washer over the end of each long hex bolt and fit them through the bolt loop on the foot pedals and into the screw holes on the sides of the mechanism housing. Tighten with the wrench making sure the textured side of the pedals are facing the slide rail, and the heel rest is on the bottom. And there you have it, you're ready to row. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment below. For more information and other great products, visit us at vivehealth.com.